Hey guys, so today we have a 2019 Honda Vezel, and today we'll be changing out the old single DIN deck and upgrading it to a new double DIN 10-inch touchscreen deck. So the easiest way to get this process started is to open the glove box and pull from below, pop that out, and you just have to pull since there are these plastic clips that hold it in place, and this whole piece will come out. But before you totally yank it out though, bear in mind that there's a cable connected to this hazard light, so make sure to disconnect that before taking it out all the way. Here are the tools required. We need a Phillips head screwdriver in order to take out the old deck and install the new deck. We need a pliers or a wire stripper, something to remove the insulation of the existing wires so that we could connect the new wires to the existing wiring harness of the vehicle. We need electrical tape to be able to cover back up those wires and insulate them. And we need a 10mm spanner or socket with a ratchet to be able to remove the 10mm bolt, or sorry, 10mm nut that connects the negative terminal of the car battery. Alright, so let's go ahead and take that 10mm spanner / socket and ratchet that I mentioned earlier and disconnect the negative terminal of the car battery. So you see there are these clips that hold it in place. It's just literally friction fit. So you just have to gently pull on them and it'll come out. Alright, now to take out these screws. Seems like there's a screw deep inside of it as well. Alright, so I guess we gotta deal with that as well. So let's do that. Hey guys, so just an update on what I'm doing so far. So in terms of the wiring, I see that the previous installer, he got one of those adapters that connect to the main harness from the original, the main harness from the car. This adapter basically converts the main harness into universal wiring color scheme now. So all I'm doing is literally just matching the colors together. So I'm taking the wire, twisting the wire, wrapping it in electrical tape, and moving on to the next one. So yeah, I'll catch you guys back when I'm done. Alright, so let's plug it in. Plug in the antenna. Right. You go ahead and reconnect your car battery. And let's test it out. Alright, so the car, if you connected everything correctly, the car is supposed to, the radio is supposed to turn on when you just turn on the accessory in the car. Or in this case, press the start button once without pressing the brake. There we go. Turn it down before I get copyrighted, which I've been getting a lot of lately on this channel. Alright, so let's see what we got. It's pretty responsive actually. We have YouTube, we have Google Chrome, we have File Manager, Calculator. It's a full Android deck. It's pretty cool. We got the Play Store, got Google Maps. So let me connect to the internet and see what we could do. Actually, on second thought, let me connect it up and put everything inside, and then we can go ahead and connect the internet and all of that. So catch you guys back when I'm done. Alright guys, so we had a little bit of a predicament. So the existing, well, the new double din deck, it's very different from the existing setup. So the existing one, the previous one, sorry, basically bolted in on these sides, right? On these sides here, 1, 2, and 1, 2, right? Using these holes on each side, right? And then the bracket would then, well, the whole deck fits in between this space, right? And then the bracket, and then you just screw it in like that, right? And then you're good to go. In this case, however, the deck is obviously wider than where those holes are, so we had to get a little creative and install these brackets here, right, with a bolt and a nut, and jut it out enough so that basically when you put the whole fascia back on, you'll have enough space here on the side to screw in these to bolt in the head unit on the sides where these holes are, basically. Yeah, one on this side and one on this side. So I'm hoping that it works, so fingers crossed. Let's see. Well, it's pretty solid, I must say. Just got in there to screw that in. I'm wondering now with the elongated hole if I can possibly push it back. I'm just hoping I don't loosen the tension on that bolt and nut inside of there. Let's see. Ah boy, let's go. Looks pretty nice. Now, because we had to get a little creative here though, I wouldn't say that it's perfect, but it certainly gets the job done. What do you guys think? Comment in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. So there we have it guys, we've successfully converted the existing boring single din deck in this Honda Vezel to a beautiful 10-inch double din deck. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching guys, Happy New Year and see you all in the next one.